discussion is Microsoft Nokia deal, a planned alliance or a desperate move? Okay.
Last month comes Masha Shruti. So today we are given our topic to discuss on Microsoft and Nokia's deal, whether it is a desperate move or a planned alliance. According to me, the deal is a planned alliance because those two firms are they occupy the market share in large scale in their own places. So if the deal between those two firms can bring in technology improvement.
First of all, I would like to thank Shruti. My name is Mohan Krishna. She said some positive note. Actually, when we go to discussion with topic, I will tell one story. Everyone knows Kumbhakarna, yes, and Mahabharata. Actually, he sleep in long term time, yes. He is sleeping. Actually, he is a one time wake up. He is aggressive every people with aggressive angry mood. Some servants is aggressive, but Kumbhakarna asking everyone known why you are disturbing me. Some servants also murmuring what happened. Same situation in Nokia Microsoft deal. Why I am telling this example? Nokia also running the same, actually same marketing shares, same running shares. Not need any improvement of technology. Yes. Actually, Kumbhakarna why is wake up? Time is going on. Seasons also going on. Like winter, cold season, summer season. Yes. He is the wake up actually cold season, winter season. Actually, he is want that purpose. He is wake up. Actually, he is want a blanket. He is wear the blanket. He is sleeping very well. Same situation, and Nokia also facing some problems. He is merged with Microsoft. That time Nokia shares will be increased. Yes, Nokia shares will be increased, and Microsoft also some new technology updatings. Nokia and Microsoft, these two companies are merged with produce the new technology products. That is better to our technology. That purpose previously Nokia failed the. Reason my suggestion is the Nokia better with Microsoft. That is the better after to Nokia. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Mohan, myself Ashok Kumar, and I am agree with you. And same way the Microsoft are deal with the Nokia, and Nokia is our brand is our marketing brand is Nokia.
Okay.
Nokia is brand.
Okay.
In Nokia is dealing with some we are losing from the iPhone, Windows phone we are losing for last year we are getting some losses are getting, and we are mixing the Microsoft Windows we are inviting the Nokias. That was my point of view.
You said Nokia merged with Microsoft. That is wrong way. Or correct way?
The correct way is that.
Is a correct way. Yes, I am also said. Actually, the two companies are large companies. As we see Nokia. In worldwide, in 278 largest company in telecommunication. Actually, this announcement is September 3rd and 11 a.m. Stephen Eller is the Nokia CEO. He is announced at a press meeting. The Nokia acquired with to Microsoft. Because why is acquired with Nokia acquired with Microsoft? Actually, there are losing the shares. Actually, no shares in market, and same time increase the shares also. That purpose is and no technology with Nokia. And if take another example, previously Samsung and Android, the two companies are merged. In India, Samsung is the best right now best mobile company in India. That is my point of view. The best is the that is the best point of view.
As he said, before the Apple's iPhone and Samsung phone, Nokia was a major player in the world in mobile manufacturing. After the entrance of the Apple's iPhone in 2007, the market share of the Nokia fell down, and
mainly weakness is the hardware. Hardware is the mainly weakness of the Nokia. We are software is better than the all mobiles and the softwares. In hardware is the mainly we are hardware is the low of the low place of their hardware. It better than the other iPhone, this Sony, in say, other Samsung phones. It better than the we are using the Microsoft. The edge of the Microsoft in Nokia.
Hi everybody, this is Pramod. I am saying that Nokia is maintain the hardware very perfectly. Items is quality maintained. That is not correct. And Nokia will be decreased in market by because he is implementing new apps or new applications. That kind of software technology will be not provided in Nokia. That's why Nokia will be merged in Microsoft. The Microsoft is one of the good IT sector. That company is implementing new software, that's why he is taken in the Nokia. He is implementing the new software like Android versions like that.
Yes. And the Microsoft it has acquired Nokia's deal at a correct time. The Nokia's market share was down, and if the Microsoft did not purchase the Nokia deal, then if it is most Samsung uses the software copied from iPhone, and there are mobiles which support Google's Android software. And it has to make such a competition that its Windows 7 has to be introduced in the mobile phones, and it should give a competitive environment for the other phones in the environment.
Okay, I agree with Shruti. Nokia has have some disadvantages also there. If Nokia say 87,762 employees is there, and that market share is 120 around 120 countries. That retail market is 150 countries around worldwide. Actually, why some disadvantages there? If negative point is there, some people's negative point is there. If Nokia is a loose share, what does that mean? Is not get able to the market. That purpose is better with Nokia better with Microsoft. Some people's way of thinking is Nokia is not producing very well. That purpose losing the market share. And when we see in depth in India, around 6,200 crores and tax liability is there in India. Nokia, and this reason is also there with Microsoft. And actually is the world largest vendor in the September 3rd in 2013, $7.15 billions. Is that right? The largest vendor in the world.
Yes, I agree with you.
Okay.
And in last 20 days back, we are Nokia is High Court is released how to tax is paid. Nokia is tax much of the tax is paid. Much of tax is paid the Nokia in India and China. Is that is we are between Microsoft and Nokia.
And though Microsoft has acquired all Nokia's patent, still the Nokia is having a utility patent which supports the wireless technology. So if they both merge also, still Nokia has an opportunity to make its place in the market. And it can use its technology and produce products and increase the technology and make it place in the market.
Okay, yes, I agree with Shruti. If previously I am taking the Kumbhakarna example. Kumbhakarna is sleeping, where the blanket he is sleeping very well that time. Same situation in Nokia, with Microsoft. Yes, that time also Nokia raised the immediate shares also, and improve the technology like Android, Microsoft technology with Nokia technology. The two combined new product is introduced. Like previously we see the Nokia X is the latest model, and mobile selling price is cheap and best. I think actually the 20 to 30,000 around. I think these mobiles also this time increasing the sales also. Nokia the best planet. Actually, I'm seeing one case study, and that case study why Nokia merged with Microsoft. Actually, they have they have no shares in market, and they use the particular time, and they use the SWOT analysis. That time, what is the weakness of the Nokia, and then see what is the opportunities. Then go to bench with Microsoft. Actually, SWOT analysis with the Nokia.
Yes, I will move on. And we are Microsoft is the mainly world is better than the or Microsoft is better. World number one is Microsoft and world. And we are introducing Nokia mentioned Microsoft. In better than the we are introducing new advantage of iPhones or IT processors. They better than the Nokia's. Will have better than of the Nokia's phone. We are basically Microsoft. In Microsoft is we are introducing many of the better than very better computers are there in the market, and better than the we are tasked the or launching the task of mobiles in Nokia.
See, though there are many competitors for this in this, still they have with this deal they have acquired the sales more than which they have expected. Like with this deal, they cross their target in the selling of the mobiles. I think it's the best. Though like Samsung and iPhone, like many people prefer Samsung and iPhone. Like still because of this deal, the sales has increased. I think it's a positive impact.
Yes, I agree with you. And that September 3rd, Steve Ballmer is the CEO of the Microsoft. He is also same thing. We targeted to Apple iPhones. We increased the number of sales in this year in 2014. He is also sales head in Ballmer. Is the CEO of the Microsoft. He is also same thing said.
Actually, 2007 before Nokia is very popular in our areas. Why? Because that moment no Android technology or touch mobiles is not available in market. That moment Nokia will be hardware only hardware concentrated in the hardware parts only. That moment is very quickly and get goodwill. But nowadays the competition will be not facing in Nokia. That's why is lost its sales or his brand. That's moment he is measured in Microsoft. The Microsoft will be taken why because he is one of the same field, IT field. He is improved that goodwill is there. That moment he is click in market. That is the position.
Okay, I will give Kamal. In better in marketing, in the number one brand is name Nokia. Brand number is there. We are launching from we are introduced the Windows side phone, iPhone is we are launching that phone, sir. We are launching that we are not recovering that much of losses in the previous mobiles. That we are that much of products are not getting the Windows side phone and iPhone is not getting that much of profits, and that why we are merged with the Microsoft.
Okay, sure. Actually, if you go on the Nokia system, when the Nokia entered in Asha series, that time also they lose the shares, and Nokia faced so many problems with the mobiles, mobile PC shoots, and that time very lost the shares, and negative point of view to the customers also. Most of the Nokia series, when Nokia series entered in market mobiles, that time negative they get the losses to the more compared with previous. now when merged with Microsoft, they increase the shares also. They introduce the mobiles in new technology and new models like Nokia X, Nokia XL, like number of I think then right now I think September 6 up to 3 to 4 months ago is introducing three models. The three models are also very high position in market.
Yes, in the beginning stages, Nokia's technology was only the high before the introduction of these iPhones and all. And there is a issue that the iPhone has copied. Like iPhone is the first introducer for the smartphones, and there is an issue that the iPhone has copied this technology from Nokia. And because of this, this iPhone has paid 600 millions for Nokia.
Okay, if you go see on previously some various telecommunication like Samsung. Samsung is I think 3 or 4 years back merged with Android applications. That time they introduced the new models and that models are the click in market. That time Samsung also get more shares. Take one example also Nokia like that.
But when compared with the Samsung mobiles and the Nokia mobiles, the quality of the Nokia mobiles will be higher compared to the Samsung. So always the customer wants a quality product. So if the technology is low, also there are some people who support because of the quality.
Okay, but when previously I said when Nokia introduced in the Asha series, that time so many problems faced with customers like mobile problems. Immediately those the shares, those the customers also. When Samsung is merged with the Android version, previously see the Samsung details. When Samsung merged with Android, that time also increased the shares also and introduced the new mobiles and more profit also. I think same point of view, Nokia and Microsoft get the more share and introduce the new technology and get the more profits.
Okay, I agree with you more. My point of view, in Microsoft, Nokia merged into Microsoft. In Microsoft, we are producing the number of mobile phones, number of new models is produced in the market. Our sales is also increasing in market, and Microsoft getting the better in merging Nokia. We are getting the better than the high profits, and we are introducing the new model in phones in better in Microsoft and merging Nokia.
Okay, my final conclusion is Nokia merged with Microsoft is a better option to the Nokia. And if see on India, I think Nokia tax liability is also paid to the that information that money paid to the also Microsoft.